classification. Today we are going to see one more data set. This is the Titanic survival data set. That means, given the features, can you predict whether the person has survived the Titanic accident? As you know, Titanic was a ship which crashed and lot of people died, but scientists have collected a data set which has features of the passenger like age, in which class they were traveling, were they traveling with family or with brothers, sisters, in which deck they were traveling, from which port did they come into the Titanic. So all these features are there, and on the basis of this you have to predict whether the passenger has survived or not. So that it is an interesting data set. You can find the link to download these files. There is the train set and the test set. Already they have been separated for us. If you look at the train set and test set, you will not need to divide the data. This is the data. Link of the data for downloading is here, but these two files are already given to you for download. Just check few links before this video. This is also one file, but ignore this. You can delete this line and even this line. Okay, these two lines will give you error, so delete them. What is the data set about? You have to predict whether the passenger survived or not. 0 means did not survive, 1 means yes, survived. So it is binary classification data set. What are the passenger attributes? One is the ticket class, one is the gender, sex, age, siblings aboard, parents aboard, ticket number, fare, cabin number, and port of embarkation. On basis of these factors, so many pre-processing steps we have to do. First, unnecessary columns are there which we can delete. There are some missing values which we can delete. And then finally we get our final features. We have to encode the non-numeric data as numeric. So sex column is there. I am encoding as male 1 and female 0. Then there is another column embarked, which is also non-numeric. I am converting that to numeric by one-hot encoding using the getDummies function. Then once all pre-processing is over, we are simply applying standard scalar, grid search, and then the best estimator we are taking on the test set. Test set is not standardized. Okay, so make sure that the test set is standardized here. See, this is a mistake I have made. I have directly applied on the test set, but test set has to be standardized. And then once you get the predictions, you can interpret the model from the coefficient and intercept, and you can also calculate the performance measure like F1 score, accuracy score, and all those things. So try on this data set. It is more like a test for you to understand whether you can do it independently or not. You can always take help of tools like ChatGPT if you are comfortable with using ChatGPT. Then you can take the help of that and refer to the previous solved exercises. Make the improvements on this, and all the best to you, and let us know in the chat if you have any doubts or difficulties in completing this exercise. Thank you for it. This will be the last video, and then you will have to do the capstone project. So best of luck with that.